Custards are egg and cream or milk-based dishes that can be sweet or savory, warm or cold. Preheat the oven. Prepare the baking dishes and water bath as indicated in your recipe. Heat the cream in a saucepan over medium heat. Include flavorings like vanilla bean, fresh herbs, or crystallized ginger. Add salt as directed in your recipe. These flavorings infuse the cream as it heats, imparting maximum flavor. Bring the cream just to a simmer, remove it from the heat, and let it steep with the added flavorings for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, whisk together the egg yolks and sugar in a large bowl. Slowly pour the cream into the eggs and sugar, whisking constantly until combined. Strain the custard into a large measuring cup. Then pour it into the ramekins. Place the ramekins into a large oven-safe pan. This will be used to create your water bath or bain-marie. Using a water bath will help prevent the eggs in your custard from scrambling. Fill the pot with water to about halfway up the sides of the ramekins. Carefully place the custard in the oven and bake until just set in the center, about 30 minutes. Remove the ramekins from the bain-marie and let them cool for 20 minutes. Then, refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Before serving, sprinkle 2 teaspoons of sugar evenly over the custard. Use a crème brûlée torch to caramelize the top. Move the torch in a circular motion about 2 inches above the surface until the sugar melts and browns.